And we are back. He said no. He said no. Oh. The crowd said it. Suck it. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. And there he is. There he is. It's another Monday Night Raw. Yeah. Damn. The World Heavyweight Champion himself in this main event. Wow. People in this place, it's going nuts. I know. I've never seen a crowd more pumped up for anything. Uh-oh, here he goes. Break it down. Don't tell me what to be happy. Man, this is going to be one heck of a main event. I have to agree with you on that. This is going to be a crazy main event. I know, a mixed tag team match. A mixed tag team match. There she is. The new Davis champion, Rainbow Dash. Hashtag rebel. See that hashtag? Hashtag 20% cooler. Now I see why they call her the rebel. She goes against everything that goes on in the WWE. All I go so far is trying to mess with Triple H. Still, like real mercy killing. Oh boy. This is bad. Hey. Oh. You really shouldn't be having that shirt on while Rocky is in the ring. He's ready. Yeah, he's ready to go to work on Ziggler. You're on the show and your girlfriend. That's amazing. That's a nice thing to wear. Don't. Sasuke's not taking his eyes. He's not taking his eyes off the Ziggler. The Ziggler really has taken his eyes off the Sasuke. Because he knows what Sasuke's going to do. That's true. That's true, but you know, in other cases, this is something I don't really feel comfortable with. But again, this is Sarah's last match because of the suspension putting on her. Even though Triple H says I shouldn't, but I'm gonna do it anyway. First, Sasuke's ex-girlfriend, ex-wife, excuse me, and I don't know, him and Dash, they've been seeing each other for like a while. And it's incredible, really. It is. Very incredible to see seeing with someone that actually cares, other than some people. One person I'm not gonna name. He who must not be named, and she who must not be named. You said he. What's wrong with you? Sakura's not a man. I don't know, she acts like one. Oh god. I mean, sure, she kind of does act like a man. If you think about it. I mean, come on now, this is... It's very stupid to me. Oh, nice camera there. And the other crowd boos. What the heck? I don't think Dolph Ziggler is this big hero of the WWE when he's really not. He's really an idiot. A big, fat idiot. Pull back! Man, Sasuke again with his mentality to just end Ziggler. And Ziggler, and oh dear, oh dear. No, no, superplex on that top rope. Oh, God. Ooh. Oh no. Ziggler, don't you. Well, I was gonna say, don't you frickin' do it, but I really don't matter. That. Well, like I just said, this is a mixed tag match. It means the guys face off against each other and the girls face off each other anymore. These are two enemies in this match. There's... Oh, and here we go. Where Sakura and Rainbow Dash had a little problem on SmackDown during that Divas Championship match. Of course, Lena giving up the championship to Sakura, but not in the way that was intended. Yeah, she thought Sakura was going to use that thing for good, and yet she's using it for evil. Oh God! It's very strange. Because Sakura agrees with what Sasuke says about this whole situation. She didn't want to be a part of it, but apparently Sakura sort of Sakura said a few things to Lena, to her stepsister, that were not, how should I put this? Not pliable. In a nice way. I mean, when it's like, you know, being stupid. Again, another counter. Oh! Again, Sakura again with this camera. She has not been in this. She's really taking a dash. Dash not been in this ring in over a month. What do you expect? Oof! Ow! Oof! And again, another. Again, Dash trying to gain control of this matchup. Oh, he does. With that suplex. Oh dear. Oh, what a nice move there. Sasuke cheering on her new His new girlfriend, though. Very cool. She puts it. Uh-oh. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, boy. Yeah, it's a point. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Side rainbow. Side rainbow. Nothing. Wow. Oh, crap. And an axe handle. Oh, so Rainbow Dash. Well, she loves to fly. Oh, crap. Oh. Ooh. Yeah, a second. Oh boy. Oh god. Oh! This crow's going crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh! I have never seen a crowd. Listen to this place. Ooh. Oh, there goes the... It's like I was trying to tag in Dolphin. Ray Dash is just like, you ain't tagging him in. Oh, she's waiting too. Oh my gosh! Oh! Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? Yes, I did. I saw it and I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. Oh man! Oh, what a neck breaker. Devastating. She's gonna tag in Dolph. Yes, unless you want to get disqualified, Dolph. Oh! Ah! Ooh, that didn't feel good. Not at all. Oof! That hurt. I know that was painful. I know that was. I know that was just painful. It's painful to watch, actually. Hit him right in the skull. Right in his skull. That's not good. You don't get kicked. You don't get kicked in the skull. You don't get kicked in the skull. You get kicked in like the face. Okay. Ah! DX and a boom, baby, I think. 1, 2, no. 2. That's gonna get harder. Sasuke said he would never give up his world title. Chanting of Ziggler, they should really be chanting of DX. Sasuke became like one of those popular champions in recent years. Oh God! Oh! See how quick that was? That was very quick. I have never seen anybody move that fast before. Yeah. Well, except that time when I changed my hair for that match with Spirit. From what I've heard, yes, he did change his hair. Why does everyone hate it? I don't get it. It's a reaction of like that's when he's out of here. I have no idea why. But whatever it is. Sure it'll change soon enough. Oh, it'll change at WrestleMania. It'll change. It'll change at There's a predicament. 2, 3, and it's over. Match is over. Oh boy. The World Heavyweight Champion and the Davis Champion get the victory again. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Monday Night Raw. We'll see you live on Friday Night SmackDown.